Oh! Damn.
Get down too far, I might have to skirt back east.
Yep. Get in a position where you guys can see that, Brad. Oh shit.
Contact. Bradley's contact. There was. He doesn't see us.
Alright, clear to smack that, Bradley. Copy.
We have a danger close to us right now.
Alright, you two consolidate.
I got one more Bradley or Bradley 045 my position.
Status check. Mag. Alright, Lucky and Newt, you guys keep flexing left, come up to the northwest side, and then push down northeast on their left flank. We'll hold this posture and try to draw their fire. And then we'll flex once you guys are established. Drop. Alright, I'll have to fucking find something to schwack it. I'm hit. Alright, pull back southwest as a group. We're gonna push fucking west. Displace west and then come at them from the like push down northeast on them.
Okay, should be good to push.
Copy.
Just a new cover.
Copy.
Oh, Bradley's moving. I think he's moving to the left.
Like, fucking run, guys.
Yeah, he might be in those trees here and that.
You're clear.
Gonna get drone up.
Copy. Push into our front left. Like, basically looking right at us. Status.
We're both green.
Dice. I think Dice is hit.
Be tracking dice probably. Unknown where he's at.
I see him, I see him.
Yep, he's in front. Just a heads up for 1-1. There is some mechanized units and some infantry at the recycling center. Great copy. Alright, if you go right above us, and then just slightly off to the right, we see the gas. I can't do that. Good copy.
Lucky, try to get him real quick.
Decided to disappear out of my backpack.
That sucks.
No controller either, which is even worse, so I don't know where those items went. They are not there anymore.
Alright, we're just gonna have to fucking smoke it and run then at this. We have any casts?
1-3, be advised. 1-1 is pushing on my fucking magazines disappear too, so unfortunately I am near down to 1.
And I got some in my backpack.
Alright, 1 copies. Bradley's looking at us.
Yep.
Oh, let's click off.
Frag out. That was a good frag, holy hell. Where is this dude? Holy shit.
We also have...
Alright, we gotta find a way to smack that fucking Bradley. You guys good?
working on it.
Newt?
Good. Don't know where the guys is.
I got him, he's on our right flank.
Unless we want to run up and demo it.
We can smoke the hell out of it and fucking die.
CPR, dice are going to be down for at least 2 minutes.
Gotcha.
Contacts behind us.
Got it.
Oh. Bradley looks to be crew killed inside the compound. 26. No, there's one.
He's down, he's down.
There's one more in the trees.
Lucky, don't stand.
Yep, landing on it. You're gonna find a smoke in front.
Smoke it.
We need you guys to try to take out that, Bradley.
Copy. If you need to egress back into the tree line a little bit more, you can. Oh, I do. Oh, Jesus. Fucking... Dude, God bless. Ran right in front of me. Yeah, hold on. Let me do that.
You down?
No, he just ran right in front of me. I almost shot him in the fucking face.
Cool. They got contacts trying to crawl up the ground up towards us.
Requesting mortar support.
We have gas. We have gas.
Preparing.
Looks like
I just called in a mortar support. Hopefully that did it right. I think that was good. Oh shit, Lucky's down, Lucky's down. Get him. Get him. Right next to you.
He's dead.
Shit. Like dead?
He dead. I can't check his injuries or anything.
Alright, grab dice. I'll cover, grab dice. Dropped one.
1-3, I copy on 3-9. 1-3, good
Like the
copy
perfect
on,
fucking
3-9.
spot.
What do you need? 1-3, 11SL is KIA, repeat KIA.
Go any further back, that's open field to that Bradley.
I see quite a few AT mines around. Watch where you go.
Getting another barrage coming in. It's gonna be right where that
Mortar support.
HPT is KIA'd.
fucking, what's his name? The armor piece right in front of us. Really hope I called it in the right spot.
See anything class 2 coverage, but I don't see any lead.
Not bleeding anywhere.
Oh, the thing's still there. Check his pulse.
It's breathing. Everything's fucking... He has everything going.
Okay. Alright. We just gotta wait. Grab the ammo off of Lucky's body, I guess.
Lucky, I'm back at the Ibid field. Anyone up?
Yeah, myself and Newt and then Dice is still unconscious.
You might just need saline with a... Motherfucker's moving. Oh.
Yep, he's moving. Through the trees, he's moving through the trees. Grab Dice.
Is that Bradley still alive?
Yep.
Copy, I'm running over. I got another wall with me.
This way.
Damn it, Tate, you weigh a fuck ton.
I think I dropped the gun.
Copy. I'm gonna drop mortars in that area that we were just at.
Copy, I got eyes on Bradley. I'm gonna go fucking schwacker that.
Let me try hitting it with mortars first, see if that works.
He's just gonna keep moving. He's right by the trucks.
My mark not accurate.
Wait, what?
I hear his ass in that tree line.
I'd say put it on the 2-1 respawn marker. That's a little closer.
There's also the stupid decision. I do see we have fucking other armored amphibians. So it has a gun on it though.
Requesting mortar support.
Mortars inbound.
Copy, I'll stay here.
Shit, I should have done a creeping barrage.
Good fucking hits. Matrix his ass out. More buggy down next time.
Do not have a smelling salt.
Damn, okay. Well, I might as well regroup.
I'm really upset that half my shit disappeared out of my bag.
Requesting mortar support.
Do a creeping. Oh! Damn!
Beautiful.
Oh, there it is. Nice fucking.
God damn, dude!
Hope you clip that.
Yeah. Yeah, I have that on video.
Dice is awake.
Hey, Dice! Glad to see you're fucking done with your nap, you lazy piece of shit. Let's go clear this place.
Badass.
There's no track
I don't
back.
pay you to sleep, you motherfucker. I pay you to shoot people. Where are your shoes?
What do you mean?
You don't have any shoes on.
I got sneakers.
Oh shit, I thought you blew your sneakers off or something. Wait, hold up. Hold up.
Goggles on them. I'm gonna fucking steal it.
Damn, Daniel, look at those white vans.
Well, this is a resupply area. I think that we might do some efforts.
We were supposed to destroy this though, right?
Yes.
Oh, cool, mission fucking accomplished, gentlemen. Oh shit!
If there's a vehicle that exploded, we could probably take that fucker.
Is there a striker over there that hasn't exploded?
Yeah,
Yet.
vehicles on fire are bad.
Alright, so that one that's sitting right there that is... Yeah, okay.
This close is probably the closest you want to get.
Dude, we were on the other side of those Connex boxes when that one exploded.
Nice.
Yeah, alright,
If anyone
fucking
here has a wall, I'll take it.
weapons and ammo, gentlemen.